Hello developers, in this tutorial we will understand preview and project structure. So let's get started. What is the purpose of this preview? First, let's understand what is the purpose of this preview. Basically, when we have some changes in user interface or on UI, then we have two options. Either we can launch application or we can immediately check on preview. So preview is a user interface where we can see or we can check our UI related changes. Let's jump into code editor to understand better. So I'll open Android Studio and here I'll select Hello Compose app. This project we had created in our previous video. If you have not seen, please go and watch that. Okay, perfect. So here on line number 50 we have preview, annotation preview, and here on line number 52 we have one composable function, that is greeting preview. You can change function name, that's not an issue. And here we are calling this method, this composable method, that is composable, that is greeting. So this greeting function, how we can call this preview method inside greeting preview function. On line number 54 we are calling there, and here we are passing one argument, that is Android. Okay, now to check preview, so on right hand side we have these three menu icons. One is design, split, and code. So we need to select split option, and here we can see preview, greeting, preview, and here we can see text hello Android. If I change something, then we can check UI related changes immediately on this. So let me do some changes. Instead of Android, I remove Android, and now we can see hello. Only hello text is there. Compose. Okay, I write compose, then we can see hello compose. So when I change something, immediately I can see my changes on preview. So this is the biggest feature here. No need to run application again and again. Now let me do some more changes here inside greeting function. What I can do first, I'll change text color. So here we have text color blue. Now I'm changing that magenta, and now we can see hello compose in different color. So color has changed. Now let's do some text changes here. Welcome to Jetpack Compose. Now we can see changes when I change something in text. Okay, instantly I can see changes on preview as well. If I change text alignment center, now here we can see text in center. So this is overall the purpose of preview. When we have some UI related changes, instantly we can check on preview. So if I launch my application, same text I can see on application as well. So I'll run application. To run application, I need to select preview first. So I'll select preview, and then I'm launching application. Here I click on run button. Now application is launching. Let's wait for some time because I'm launching first time, so it takes maybe next 1 minute to launch emulator. Okay, and now here we can see output. Application has launched, and we can see output hello compose, welcome to Jetpack Compose on emulator as well. So this is the use of preview. Now I'm hiding this. Now second thing, project structure. When we create any Jetpack Compose project, first let's understand the overall structure of project. So here again I'll go to Android Studio, and here when you create any Jetpack Compose, just open app directory. Inside app directory, src main Java. Inside Java we can see our activity. This is main activity. There we write our composable function. Perfect. Second important file is Android manifest file. Here we register our activity on line number 16 dot main activity. So this main activity we register inside Android manifest file, and here also we set app icon theme. Apart this, we can also register permission inside Android manifest file. So here we can see, so these are the permission: internet permission and access network state permission. So these permission I have set inside Android manifest file. Next, important directory is REC, that is resource directory. Inside resource directory, we can see multiple directories. One is drawl directory. Here we keep our images. Inside mipmap, even we can also see here on line number 12. Here we can see mipmap IC launcher. So inside mipmap directory, we keep our app icon. Now values. So here we have colors. String.xml file contains static string. Themes can set theme of our application inside theme.xml. Next important file is build.gradle. This file. This is very important file. Here we can see first application ID on line number 11. This is our application ID, and here we set minimum SDK, target SDK, version code, version name, and also we add our dependencies. Inside dependencies, I hope you got some broad understanding about project structure. So that's all for this video. If you feel this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.